In this short video, you will learn about key adjustment features for Kitagawa Northtech's yellow angle heads for milling applications. Loosen the 4 set screws on the orientation ring. Loosen the 4 cap screws in the body for angle head adjustment of phase angle. Now, all adjustments of the angle head are free to move. Be certain to read the included operation manual to familiarize yourself with all the components. The prepared positioning block is ready to be mounted on the spindle. Assemble the collet in the nut and install with the angle shaft. Lock the cutting tool in the spindle utilizing the supplied wrenches. Yellow angle head adjustment features. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos on Kitagawa Northtech's YouTube channel.